Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Isn't it a drag when you spend lots of time cleaning your surfaces, mirrors, and windows, and they still have streaks on them? Well, the eCloth window cleaning kit is going to help you to maximize the time that you use cleaning because you'll never have to do it twice in a row. Let me tell you about these eCloth rags. These eCloth products are water activated, which means no more chemicals needed for your cleaning process. You simply put the waffle-weave cloth into water, activate it, and then clean any surface that you want to end with a polish and shine. I like to use this not only on my mirrors and windows, but also on my countertops, my stovetop, even my stainless steel and slate color appliances. It leaves everything looking beautifully shiny. So you can save money, you can save time, and you can save frustration when cleaning surfaces that you want to have shiny with the eCloth set. And that's my point of view.